how to subscribe to service alert on the transit app. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how you can subscribe to service alert on transit application, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your transit app. So once you are logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page you would see a map. Alright, as long as your Android version or your iOS version support transit app, you would see a map here. And then on this map you will see different transit lines as well as the departure lines. So as you can see this, the next thing for you to do is to click on it. Now the reason why you can see any transit line on my home screen is because I am currently in an unsupported region, as you can see on my screen. Okay, but for you, once you are in a supported region, so once you can see the line, select the line you are interested in from the list and then search for the line you want to receive service alert for. Then tap on the alert banner associated with the selected line. Alright, so after tapping on the alert banner, you'll be asked to set up your service alert preferences, so you can choose whether you want to receive alerts during commute hours only, which is 7 to 9 a.m. or 4 to 7 a.m. or all the time. Just select it, select your preferences the way you want, and then keep an eye out for future updates that may provide even more flexibility in choosing alert times. So this is how you can subscribe to service alert on transit app. The major thing you must learn how to do is to select the transit line you are interested in, and you are good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.